Welcome to MBBS Lighthouse, India's most comprehensive and integrated MBBS admission and college predictor. Based on your NEET score, domicile, category and quota, MBBS Lighthouse predicts your chances of MBBS admission in 646 medical colleges of India. In this video, I will explain you steps on how to use MBBS Lighthouse. To start, you need to sign up by entering your name, email ID, create your password and your phone number. Please read the terms and conditions. Click Agree and then generate OTP. You must enter the 6-digit OTP received on your phone. In case you don't receive the OTP, please wait for 90 seconds before you request to resend OTP. If you have already registered yourself, you must enter through login. In the student section, you must enter state from where you studied your 10th and 12th class. You must enter your state and place of residence. This is essential to identify your domicile and eligibility for counseling. You will be able to see on screen that the number of medical colleges will change based on your eligibility. You must complete the other student details such as NEET category, state category, gender, PH status, minority and quota. In the minority, you can select yes if you belong to Baud, Jain, Muslim, Christian, or linguistic minority. In the quota section, you must select yes if you want to avail benefit of NRI, Armed Forces, ESI, or NCC quota for admission. When you submit your details, you will enter the report selection page. You can choose either rank-based report or marks-based report. Rank-based report is more precise and accurate predictor for MBBS admission and name of possible medical colleges. Marks-based report is useful if you have not received your NEET rank and you only want a general idea about your MBBS admission possibility on a particular marks. On selecting rank-based report, you will ask to enter your NEET rank. You can see the number of government, private and deemed medical colleges which can be available for your MBBS admission based on historical admission data. You can see the numbers changing with change of rank. In marks-based report section, you will also see the possible rank range for the entered NEET marks. Please note that rank predictor is based on last year merit data and it may change drastically in next year. In the rank-based report, you need to check box required report and check out. On checkout, you will land on payment page. You can use any payment method to pay for the report. On successful payment, you will be able to see the report display on screen. On the report, first you will see all the instructions which will guide you to get maximum advantage of the report. Please note that this report is automatically saved in your student account section and you can see report anytime in reports section. You can analyze your report by using different available filters such as institution type, fee budget, state and seat type. In the marks-based report, you have the option to select state-wise report or you can select all state to see all India colleges list. MBBS Lighthouse and NEET Navigator are committed to offer you most ethical and accurate guidance for MBBS admission. Your data and money is 100% secure. In case of any problem, you can always contact us on 971-736-6344. Thank you for watching this video and we wish you all the best for your MBBS admission in the best medical college based on your NEET score, domicile, and category.